Hi all, very good morning. This is 29th of September, Monday. Here we are today for our regular Indian market analysis and live trades. This is the new week, and we have the expiry of Nifty and Bank Nifty in the coming weeks, coming days. That is tomorrow itself. We are looking for a monthly expiry, a quarterly expiry, and end of this month there is a new expiry which is getting expired on a new day, that is Tuesday. So it is always mysterious how the markets want to unfold on that day. So as of now, we are seeing some good gap up in Nifty, still not above the previous day high. I would like to mark that level for you guys. This is the previous day high and low for Bank Nifty. 54,900 and 54,310, around 310 is the level for Bank Nifty. So we are expecting the bullish momentum to be started in Bank Nifty and Nifty very soon, but there are no such clear signs. And we are seeing gold again trying to make its all-time high and trying to reach its new high. So we should be concerned about the gold movement as well as the silver, guys. Before we go deeper into uh, the charts of Indian market, we'll see once what silver and gold doing. So we have this all-time high from 45 years, that is 1980, and then from there the markets should take a rejection hold for some time, but due to the present conditions, we are not expecting any pullback in the prices. So let's see how the silver and gold wants to unfold themselves. Now the Indian markets are open. We are seeing the movement in the prices. So the borderline thing for the Bank Nifty would be 54,300. Below that levels, the market is gonna take a hit again and again. So as I have already said in the last live, I have already made decent profits for the month. I am not necessarily punching any orders, unnecessarily punching the orders. If there are right moment and right stocks with the perfect setup, I would be liking to take entry, unless that it would just be an informative podcast for the day. So the more interested chart currently is the gold. I would expect the gold prices to beat 3800 today, which is very likely to happen. So we are looking at the Bank Nifty trying to make its new low, is what I feel. So then, which sectors are in the performing segment? Energy sector, metal. So in energy, I think we had Oil India. Oil India. No. ONGC maybe. ONGC is not so great. So let me also try with my scanner. We have Oil India. We have Eternal, Tata Motors. Tata Motors. Yeah, Tata Motors is quite looking good, but above this level. Then we have Hindustan Zinc. Just a minute, guys. Sorry guys, here we are looking for the stocks. I had seen this Godrej Properties around its high, probably trying to break the level. But on a bigger time frame, there is no much of movement expected. But if this break of level is very solid, we could expect some 2000, 2010 levels to be seen. But we'll also parallelly check which sector is performing today. So metal, we have metal sector, we have Vedanta, but not into our buying setup. JSW Steel, Hindalco, Tata Steel. Because of the fall on Friday, every chart is kind of scrapped. So we are not so completely getting any stocks, but Ashok Leyland is looking to be good, guys. So Ashok Ley 145. So the current price of 140 call option in Ashok Leyland is 3 rupees and 70 paisa. So currently, as of now, it is looking good, but we'll wait for confirmations. M&M is going good, and Canara Bank is performing. I don't think we have much of stocks again, guys. We are seeing realty sector to be performing, so LT isn't performing. We are seeing Godrej properties to be breaking its high. Um, so we'll prepare Godrej properties call option 9 8 1950 1950 call option in Godrej properties. So again here the option chart looks scrapped. So but still it looks like a promising stock to move on the upside, but there is very much less liquidity in it. So Godrej properties 2000 call option in next month expiry. Is it holding good? Not so well. Let's see Hindalco. So Hindalco is also breaking its previous day high. Looks good as of now. We want the pullback in the prices now. So M&M failed, Cholafin, Varun Beverages, no. Tata Communication is good, guys, but no setup is triggered for us. Then we have Astral, no. Equally parallelly checking my scanners, guys. So Arvindo Pharma is been shown. So no stocks are also getting triggered in our watch lists, guys. So uh, it's not so good day for trades for intraday traders. We are seeing sell-off and sideways movement in most of the stocks. Godrej Properties looks to be booming. So we have made a small entry in Godrej Properties, guys. We would like to see the continuation in the up move. So the current price of 2000 call option of next month expiry is somewhere around 78 rupees, and our entry is around 77. We are expecting the markets to break its level of 2000 in some time. So the level of 2000 is somewhere here, and as a round number syndrome, I feel the stock might take a breather or a break around that level. So we'll have to wait until then. As I said, tomorrow is expiry, guys. So we are not encouraging to trade in tomorrow expiry contracts. We are looking for 28th October expiry contracts in Godrej Properties. So until the closure of this candle, there is still 3 more minutes of time. Maybe I feel the strength in Godrej Properties has come, and the reality sector, which is there today, is actually rallying good. So we need the prices to be held, and in option prices, I am also seeing a level of 79 to be a sort of rejection level. That also needs to be broken, guys. So, but there is a big rejection on the prices. The candle has still 2 more minutes to close, but there is a huge fall. The option prices are also not holding really well. So we so the level actually wanted to be held by the stock, but it is showing a huge rejection, guys, um, which is not good, not a good sign for us. So if there is no pullback in the prices, even during the candle closure, I want at least the candle to close around 1989, so around 4 rupees on the upside. But the option prices are just crashing, and we are seeing the prices will not be held. So yeah, still one minute to go for the candle, but it is still a risky bet which we are in currently. And we will see parallelly other stocks also, guys. We are seeing Chola Fin to be turning out. So just a minute, guys, just a minute. Sorry guys, another stock is Hindalco. Uh, Hindalco is beating its high, but we have a resistance. So I want this stock to be like holding off the upper levels. The premium on the chart is bit okay for us now to hold this position. So equally in Hindalco, we saw immediate rejection around the levels which it wants to break. If this level is breaking in Hindalco, we must enter the trade. I'll keep the option prices handy. I'll not be trading this month's expiry. So yeah, next month's options are looking cool in Hindalco. This is the high made on 25th 2 p.m. Okay. So I also feel currently Hindalco will also perform, but this level of rejection has to be taken out by the market. Until and unless that, we cannot be expecting much of a move. So I feel there would be a break in that prices, guys. So I will try to make an entry, but I would like to wait. No order is punched yet. So we have a good option and market depth in Hindalco. But this is kind of a make or break situation for the chart as well. So we could see complete sideways momentum and rejection. So let's see, let's wait guys, let's wait for some time. So by the time we are seeing that, we are checking on Godrej Properties, so which clearly gave us a rejection, not sustaining the levels as well. We are currently sitting in that trade as well. uh, so the losses are currently okay for us, no much of thing to worry, but we need this level to be broken. 1990 is the level we saw in this candle, but currently it is not holding that level, and we are seeing the rejection in prices, which is a scary thing. The stock is not holding on to its level, guys. We are seeing rejection of prices from this average on a 15 minutes chart, which is not okay. The prices has to rush up in next 9 minutes of this candle closure, or else we would be exiting this trade in a loss. So we had Hindalco. I think it will perform. Hindalco Industries. So there was a very good candle closing, and on a 15 minute, it is a very good candle closing. And on a 5 minute chart also, we are seeing the price movement nicely. I think the Godrej Properties wants to slowly take a break, maybe, and get the averages as near as possible, and then give a breakout, because it is almost consolidating on around the previous day high, uh, which is one good thing. So we will have to wait, or if we get a very good sharp exit to our side and to our levels, we would be happily exiting that. So the high made by previous candle is 76 on the option premium. Currently it is at 74. So let's wait on that. So Hindalco is holding the level, guys. This stock is actually holding the level well, better than the Godrej properties. So we would be trying to take an entry here, if possible, to see if there is any good movement coming on the upside. The prices rejection is starting. So let me check PSU Bank's metal energy small cap. Okay, metals are anyway performing, but Godrej Properties is stuck, guys. I am not sure, uh, but there is a good momentum in it, almost breaking the previous day high. So let's wait. I'll also add Hindalco over here. So try to keep it on top. We are seeing Chola trying to break its current day high. So do we have Chola in our option chart? We have no 1600 call option. No. I'm feeling very much keen to enter this Hindalco trade, guys. I feel it could move really well in some time. Sellers 2350, 2310. The rejection in Godrej Properties is huge, guys. I'm seeing no much of strength left on the upside, but we'll have to give some time until the reaction is seen with this moving average and the price. So I'm very much concentrated on Hindalco as of now, because it might be the one which gives us the move currently. Oh, the prices fell in Godrej Properties like anything, guys. Um, there has to be a pullback in prices now, or else we should be booking out huge loss, guys. Uh, so I must be witnessing a rise in the prices very soon. But the chart looks scrapped almost. There is a very bad rejection from this level as well. So I think we will book out of this trade, guys. Just give me some time. I just wanted this one sharp reaction from it, guys. I think Hindalco is breaking off its level, and it's time for us to enter. So let's see, guys. We have made our entry in Hindalco as well. So maybe Hindalco could give a good move if it is breaking off this level very in a very nice way. So I want to keep the chart split. Godrej Properties on one side, Hindalco on the other side. So maybe I want to add two more lots to Hindalco. I'm waiting for a price up move in Godrej Properties, guys. This is currently how the day chart is looking in it. We need a solid up move in Hindalco. That is the one which can actually get up our PNL. Whatever the loss we are looking at Godrej Properties, I think we should be covering it up in Hindalco, but the price movements have to be sharp and steady in Hindalco now. That is our concern. We don't see any of the resistance now. Hindalco stock could rally till 756. So another 4 rupees of up movement, but currently that is also getting rejected, guys. It is also getting rejected. No, 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 no. So the prices in Godrej is also not recovering, and but the average is held at least. And in Hindalco, I'm seeing my trade to be near the cost what I have paid, but that is not a good thing. So the rejection which the market is currently facing is not good. We want the high, yeah, just like this, guys. We want the prices to be held on the upper side of the candle. So the current high is 752.4, and we need that to be broken by the stock. Then the option prices will have a good move on the upside. The Godrej Properties option price is at 72.5 and our entry is around 77. So due to the expiry tensions and due to the theta decay, there will be regular movements in the stock, guys, just like what we are seeing today. They just try or tend to show you there is a move, but which eventually there isn't any. So we should be very careful while playing out with options and futures of this month, especially when you are near to an expiry. There are high chances that the regular knowledge what you have gained over the uh, years will not come to use, because these are the days where irregularities are very much high, and you should at least see 10 to 15 of such expiries to make a sense and to make a view, saying that no, this is gonna be how it's performing or it is not performing. So you should at least be watchful of 10 to 15 expiries. Currently, no strength, guys, no movement. There are very few stocks which are performing. There are very few sectors which is actually performing, which we are not happy. There should be a broader based rally or a broader based fall on the downside as well. We don't want some of the stocks to be pulling on the higher side, some of them dragging on the downside. So it is not a genuine move or a guaranteed move, I have to say. I'm seeing a good buying type in Hindalco, but the option prices shouldn't halt around this levels. So they have to give a breakout and actually move very clearly. That is the sign, but it is taking a lot of time, maybe because of the new 15-minute candle or something. But the stock has to move in another 5 to 7 minutes of its time. We are seeing good price up move in Godrej properties, guys. So, which is one good thing. Equally, we are seeing the fall in Hindalco. So, our PNL is just dancing with these two stocks moving up and down. So, currently, we are placed okay. We are currently doing good with the options, but still a lot more way to go on the upside for both of the stocks. So we will wait, guys. We will have to wait. There is no other go for us. But seeing the rejection in Hindalco is not good. If it had broken this level, it should have clearly moved on the upside. Maybe it wants to take a breather kind of a thing, but not okay for us. I'm currently seeing if I want to enter more in Godrej properties, but Hindalco has started getting me to a loss. This is not okay. This is really, really bad in Hindalco. Not a welcome move in Hindalco, guys. Soon after this, trying to break this level, the stock is getting rejected in option prices, and it is not showing signs of up move. Now it has become a little moment of panic for us. Sometime back it was Godrej Properties. Currently it is Hindalco, which is in tension giving zone for us. But we are okay. We are comfortable looking at our PNL. There is nothing to panic. But still, as a moment of caution, we want the prices to be in the upward trajectory. But this Hindalco stock will definitely get our some of the time over here, is what I feel. So yeah, the option prices are getting hammered on the downside, which is not good. Now Godrej Properties started to give us tensions. So what do we do? What do we do? Hindalco is currently troubling, guys. Hindalco's entry should have been correct, but the prices are not holding the level. So just a minute, guys. I'll just be on mute and we'll be back. So guys, we are seeing not so good movement. We are just above our cost in Godrej properties, and we saw a clear up move, but it is still producing an up move, but the levels are not being held in Godrej properties. So 2000 was the level which I had warned about. So the stock has taken rejection from 2000 and 2000.8 levels. So it is again a round number syndrome which has been haunting again. And Hindalco, the price movement is very clear, guys. The price is been held really good by the chart. But when I'm seeing on the chart of the option, even though it is a next month expiry contract, it is not so well held, and there is no movement at all, guys. Godrej Properties also went on to a really bad sell-off. I think we will be closing both the trades in loss today. So yeah, let's give some time, guys. I am already seeing very bad numbers in Hindalco. Uh, the option price is behaving the worst, which is very annoying. But whatever we did was at right on the point. We didn't select the contracts which was gonna expire tomorrow because of the safety and risk management. Even though that is happening, we are seeing a very bad rejection in the prices. And even in the Godrej properties, we held on to the trade, looking for a support around this average, but still uh, the stock is not so behaving in a good way. But this Hindalco is not fine, guys. Not sure. I have a good lot size in Hindalco. That's why I'm pretty confused whether I should be holding on to this trade, because the strength in the option chart is weak, but the strength in the price chart, what you guys are looking at the screen, is really good. But there is no confirmation for me, and this is a bad candle pattern which has happened after this big initial movement in the first 15 minutes. The stock has turned sideways now. So Godrej Properties is topmost irritating, because initially when we entered, it gave out a huge fall, and then we wait and took a re-entry. It almost showed us the up move, but it is still pricking around the old points itself. So the chart seems to be fine, but the option prices are not good. There is no proper refresh in the prices as well. So we saw clear movement of the option prices till 81. Currently it is again at 77. So without any much